The Content Blocks Builder plugin allows you to create custom block patterns as easy as writing posts directly on the block editor. You can create a pattern from scratch, or from the theme's patterns, or from the built-in patterns library created by this plugin. You also can create a pattern just with one click from a container block like group, columns, etc. Let's create a pattern from scratch. From the dashboard screen, go to the All Patterns screen, and click on the Add New button. Input your blocks and configuring them as writing your posts. You can use all the available blocks here, like core or third-party blocks. After publishing the pattern, it'll be ready to use from the pattern inserter. You can edit the pattern's content or its metadata like categories, keywords. If you don't want to create your patterns from scratch, you can create your pattern by inserting a pattern from the theme, or from the built-in pattern library, and edit it to fit your design. You can also create patterns with just one click. From the Block toolbar, click on the Add to Block Patterns menu item. Input your pattern title and save. Go to the Edit Pattern screen and edit the content or the metadata. Your new pattern has been ready to use from the pattern inserter. Import, export is another way to create patterns. You can export patterns from a site and import them into another using the import, export feature.